If you want to unlock experimental features and hidden settings in Google Chrome, Chrome flags can help you do that. Chrome flags are advanced browser features that Google includes for testing purposes before they become official settings. These features can improve performance, add new tools, or change how Chrome looks and behaves. The good news is that enabling Chrome flags is very simple, even if you have zero technical knowledge. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enable Chrome flags in 2026, step by step, so you can access hidden Chrome features safely and easily. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. Now type chrome//flags and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Chrome Flags page where all experimental features are stored. When the page opens, you may see a warning message explaining that these features are experimental. This is normal. Chrome flags are still being tested, so some features may not work perfectly on every device. Most users can still use them safely, but it is important to not randomly change too many settings at once. At the top of the Chrome Flags page, you will see a search box. This search box helps you quickly find specific flags. For example, if you want smoother scrolling, dark mode features, performance improvements, or interface changes, you can search for related keywords directly from this page. Once you find the flag you want to enable, look to the right side of the feature name. You will usually see a drop-down menu set to Default. Click on that drop-down menu and change it to Enabled. Some flags may also include options like Disabled or additional configuration choices. After enabling a flag, you will notice a Relaunch button appear near the bottom of the screen. Click the Relaunch button to restart Chrome. This is important because Chrome must restart before the new feature becomes active. Once Chrome opens again, the selected feature should now be enabled. You can return to the Chrome Flags page anytime to enable more features or disable ones you no longer want. If a Chrome flag causes problems such as crashes, lag, display issues, or browser instability, you can easily disable it again. Simply go back to Chrome//flags, find the feature you enabled, and change it back to default or disabled, then relaunch Chrome again. There's also an option at the top of the flags page called Reset All. Clicking this button restores all Chrome flags back to their original settings. This is very useful if you accidentally changed multiple settings and want Chrome to return to normal. Some popular Chrome flags include smoother scrolling, experimental AI features, parallel downloading, reader mode, GPU improvements, and interface customization tools. However, available flags can change depending on your Chrome version because Google regularly adds or removes experimental features. You should also keep Chrome updated to access the newest flags and ensure better stability. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically install updates if available. Another important tip is enabling only features you actually need. Too many experimental settings can sometimes slow down Chrome or create compatibility issues with extensions and websites. So that's the easiest way to enable Chrome flags in 2026. The main steps are opening Chrome//flags page, searching for a feature, changing it to enabled, relaunching Chrome, and resetting settings if any problems appear. Most users can access hidden Chrome features within just a few minutes using these simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.